access like a legacy concept of hard coding the seed or small logic. So you need to get the budget like a minimum sustainable logic. As a analyst, you are the first person for the organization. You need to prove itself of your thorough analysis, mandatorily required.
Okay.
Yeah. Go to that. You analyst group, please happy about your group achievement. That fellow he really made me happy because in this eighth week, getting a call from Ford is OEM. It is a good that call. So I didn't much. I didn't done for him. Frankly, I'm telling other than class. Maybe today onwards, maybe I will spend some time with him. But he is not there in that my priority list also. My priority list, I people are who all are not having a job. That people I have in my priority list. Yeah, Mahesh, you can unmute your mic. Mahesh, you are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yeah, you can tell me what are the cybersecurity goals for secure reprogramming your analysts and architects are decided for the project?
Authenticity is required, sir.
You look it
Authenticity.
and tell me, not for your oral. You open that where you updated when we discussed how many properties they selected, how many cybersecurity goals are there, how many cybersecurity claims are there. Open your sheet and tell me. Mahesh,
Yeah, sir. I'm opening.
which one you are opening? Share your screen.
Sir, I joined through mobile, sir.
Huh?
Well, I'm not able to.
What happened, laptop?
Some trouble is happened, sir, yesterday. From yesterday
Today you
onwards,
have
I did not
interview,
work.
right?
I will join through my brother's laptop, sir. He came yesterday only from Bangalore. I'll join with his laptop.
Okay, interview. You are saying interview will join via your other laptop, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. It's okay. Ramesh, you can tell what are the cybersecurity goals for secure reprogramming? Meanwhile, Mahesh, please call
Okay.
to that Rajesh. He didn't join today.
I mean,
Yeah.
I need to share that my sheet, you are saying, or I
Better
need
you
to
can
share. Okay,
share
fine.
your screen also, no problem.
Okay, fine.
One time share. I'm stopping. Please share from your side one time.
Yeah, yeah. Already had shared in our home group. Okay, fine.
Your screen is blank for us.
Still, okay.
I don't know. So for me or everyone?
For everyone, bro.
Okay. Please unshare and share. Try. We'll see.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can read out. One more time. Try.
Okay.
Hmm.
Is able to see.
Yeah, we are able to see you. Yeah, go. Hmm.
So for the secure flashing,
Hmm.
from the analysis side, so they are having all CS goals.
Okay.
So for as an architecture, we are availability. We had made it as a CS claim.
Hmm. Mahesh, you are able to see the screen? You prepared this Excel sheet?
For
When
yesterday's
the
interviews,
huh?
for yesterday's homework, you are asking.
Whatever Ramesh is presenting, you have the Excel sheet like this?
I think this is not for developers homework, so I think so.
Okay. Really? This
He asked,
one, everyone, I told that what are the, at least you need to explain that. First level, then what is the your part? You need to know, right? Secure flashing, integrity, confidentiality, authorization, authentication, repudiation is required. Then what you prepared for that? Developer, as a developer.
you given for us algorithms, sir. AES,
Not only
security
algorithm, you
flashing.
need to know about this table also, right? Your group also.
I will check and I will update.
Yeah, thank you, Ramesh.
Okay. Yeah.
So, confidentiality, integrity, authentication, authorization, and the repudiation. Okay. Now, when you are going for a reprogramming, so reprogramming, you already know, right? Whenever you have a new software, you need to ready, then you will go for a reprogramming. That is the one scenario. Whenever any incident is happen, then you need to reprogramming. Whenever something is not working, then you need to reprogramming. So that means always you have a some specific use cases for reprogramming. In the reprogramming time, you will see confidentiality, integrity, authentication, authorization, and repudiation. In the authentication, in authentication, where exactly you will take when you are in the application, when you are in the bootloader.
In the bootloader.
Bootloader. Then I'm asking like why you are not taking the secure authentication for when you are in the application side. What is the main reason? For example, what I told every time, your boot manager will every power on, it will check the control, it will give to bootloader or application. That is the we discussed, right? It may be assumed like application. It is a bootloader. Okay. For example, here mainly when the control will come, invalid application. Invalid application is the one time. Invalid application is there also, it will give directly, please go and sit under. Ah, reprogramming flag is set also. Set. Setted. Anything. Reprogramming flag is setted also, it will give control to the bootloader. Okay, this reprogramming flag is set by application or where? Who will set the reprogramming flag? Which module will set the reprogramming flag? Subham? Reprogramming flag set by the application or bootloader?
Just a case application.
Application. For example, in the application, when you are setting the reprogramming flag, before that, again, you need to enter into reprogramming session. Ism reprogramming session. Kalyan and Yugandhar. Reprogramming is nothing but your OS installation. Your OS installation bias, you will set that right where to reboot. From it will reboot from your CD or your reboot from your, if you have a OS in the pen drive, okay, you continuously fresh and you will give that where to load the application, right? That means your application is supposed to be run from the existing OS or new OS. You need to install. Such a way in the automotive level, you have a boot manager, assume, okay? Boot manager will give the control to the bootloader. Please go for reprogramming only two times. Your application is invalid or someone is forcibly said that reprogramming is required. If one person not joined, who's that? Anand, anyhow, I have message and Surya. Okay. When you are setting the flag for a year, you already know, right? A reprogramming request before. That means, as for authorization, authentication, this authorization and authentication may applicable here. Authentication and authorization also required here. It is a debatable topic. When architects, all four people, Rudra, Bhaskar, even though Ramesh, Subham, Saurabh, five people, When you guys are selected for authentication and authorization, as a analyst, they are okay because you are the architects and you know your system how it looks like and all. So for you guys, when the application itself, you need the authentication and authorization as well. No, 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 Rama, only flag setting. Maybe authentication is failed, then immediately I'm going to the application next power on, not a problem. Because application, if I'm taking also, I need to give the reset. That authentication is no more valid. Unnecessarily, I don't want to consume my time there. You already know, right? Reprogramming, real reprogramming will happen inside the bootloader, not in the application. So then, authentication and authorization important inside the bootloader or inside the application itself? Rudra,
Inside bootloader.
inside the bootloader. Any of other architects, any different opinion, or you all are with Rudra?
With Rudra only.
Yeah, with
Yeah,
Rudra.
with Rudra.
Then Ram is a hacker. I will take the strong opposition. Diagnostic, what it will indicate?
Programming session.
Okay. You will set the, you have all preconditions are set. Okay. Set. Again, I given the 1101. Now control goes to,
Default session.
oh, okay. It will go to bootloader,
Advanced.
right? Assume like
Yeah.
you are in the bootloader.
Oh,
Okay. There you guys are guessed me like I am not a right person. Okay. Then you given a one more reset, right? This reprogramming flag, you are invalidated and you given that. Again, what I will do? Again, I will give the request. I don't allow to you drive the car. I will make you such a way. You are not taking that way. These conditions you are ready. I am okay. I will move forward now. As the architects, you have explanation for this. Keep on. I will give. Okay, bootloader, you are verifying my credential, but in the application, I'm setting time. You are not verifying anything, right? I'm setting the flag. Anyone?
Both the
Okay.
places, if we add authentication,
Hmm.
then it will solve the problem.
Solve the problem. You are overshooting the budget also, right?
Yes.
You have any valid reason you are escaping that way, I'm okay. Now coming back to the static view in reprogramming time. Mandatorily you require the boot
I
software people, bootloader, bootloader will call usually. Bootloader people. And even though PM is required, boot manager is also required. Then you need the communication guys. You need the diag. You need the crypto stack. You need the flag writing in the NVM module. NVM guys required. You need the OS common. OS and Linux are common. How many guys are aware? Timing is also important. Timers, how much time you need to finish. Time also it will play important, right? Time model is required. How many are aware? When the reprogramming flag is failed, reprogramming is failed, you will qualify the some DTC. Dem is also required. Any other?
Them is coming in diag only, no, Ram?
DCM is completely different, DEM is completely, but certain part of DEM part completely different. Immediate qualifications or step-by-step qualifications. That is the reason DCM inside you represent both the models separately, diag and DEM. Otherwise, DCM you can keep. Okay. Any other, because the drivers are required mainly. CDD models, complex device drivers. Any other, anyone? Bootloader, boot manager, CAMU, Diago, CryptoStack, NVM. Power management is required because you need to check the voltage conditions and that. Power management is also it will play important role. Any other?
HSM.
Okay.
So,
CryptoStack I mentioned, but
yeah,
HSM also, no problem. HSM explicitly only you can handle.
okay.
Then what else? Any other model?
So what about okay OS and okay
Yeah,
already.
yeah, I added here. So any other? What are
So,
the static view of reprogramming?
Room memory.
No, code flash is that memory part is a code flash. Externally, you will give the file, right? Drivers are CDD drivers and bootloader contain inside the FLS drivers and all. Explicitly, your guys required, you can write it. FLS drivers.
so if we are using certificates, we need to cover the crypto stack only. No?
In the crypto stack HSM, you can say keys and certificate, everything you can load it via there.
Okay.
Okay. And
Okay.
you itself for this, you can put like a is there my tester and is there my tool is there, my tool is there. This also you can represent outside. Okay. This is the static representation of the leaf. For example, cloud reprogramming, you already know, right? Okay. After Sequoia, secure JTAG, secure access, secure reprogramming. No doubt on that part, you need to know end to end for cybersecurity. These three concepts, along with secure boot and security, these five. This five is the core module for everyone can shoot the questions. These five, you are saying that you didn't work, then it is very hard to digest them. You really not there in the cybersecurity. So that is the reason this Sunday you will get the one level, complete view like a one level hub. Now, one module you are working purpose. Each module role also you need to know why you need that module. It is not a cyber security. Cyber security level, this is the only one module. This guy is the only one module. But the remaining things will come like a normal reprogramming level of sequence. This is the one level reprogramming you need to know directly or indirectly. Cyber security guys, you are aware about this. Then only you are explaining end-to-end part to the interviewer. So any other model static view? Anyone? Okay. It's, you already know, right? For example, in reprogramming request resume like a you are allowing for extended session or default session, leave it, check it. For example, Uganda, you need to install the OS laptop. What and all you will check? Which drive you will check mainly? Uganda, you are able to hear me? If you are speaking, we are unable to hear you. You can type a message if you are facing any problem. Hey, వినపడుతుందా మాట?
He had
Yes,
typed
Ram.
the message.
Yeah.
He sent.
Okay. I called you WhatsApp call, so that is the reason I am able to hear you. So,
Okay, I'll connect the mobile one.
yeah. Kalyan, you need to install a one guy raised a ticket to you. His voice, his operating system is not working.
Yes, sir.
That is the ticket. You will write a one message to him. What is that message? Tell me.
For data is on OneDrive or not, sir? First I will check data.
That means instead of that, OneDrive or something, C drive, you have any backup? Yes or no? You will ask.
Yes, sir.
If you will say C drive, I have a 100 GB data,
I will
then
take
what you
that
will
back.
do?
I will take that backup
You will
data, sir.
take or you ask him to take?
I will inform them first. I will. You can transfer that data if required.
Uh,
You can take that backup data,
mm.
and otherwise I will take that backup data. And I will.
That is the preconditions, right?
Yes, sir.
That preconditions only whenever I will say in the pre-programming, you now stops mentioned, right? That stops nothing but a precondition stops.
Okay.
They will check vehicle speed. They will check voltage levels. Okay. Vehicle speed, which model is supporting you guys? Ramesh? Okay, that ABS issue, powertrain issue, that is the later. In the where static view, which component represent for vehicle speed? Here, which model is representing the vehicle speed? Ramesh?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Come.
Hmm.
Come.
Now, again, Kalyan, that battery having a capability or not, he handed the laptop and he went away. Then what, you will ask something, right? Is surgery will ask or not?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So, because power management related, right? Similarly,
Yes, sir.
these guys will check like a voltage conditions. Here, which model will support Arita? Voltage, which model you are getting data?
Power management.
Arita?
Yes, power management.
Hmm. Similarly, you need to disable, for example, Kalyan, you need to reprogramming time. Which one give high priority, reprogramming or some other action as well? Anywhere also, anywhere. It may be a mobile, it may be a laptop, anywhere. When the reprogramming is happened, which one is high priority job? Installation or something else?
Installation, sir.
That way. So you need to disable all the faults.
Sir, like USB.
You don't want to qualify any faults under fault management related. Rajesh, which module you will get that DTC disabled? Rajesh, you are in the call.
Yes, Ram.
Which module DTC you need to
Dem
disable the DTC?
Dem Ram.
Okay. Then now these all are the some of the preconditions for reprogramming. After reprogramming, Kalyan, you need to note down that fellow one number. What is that number? Someone given a laptop to you. You will remember one number for that unique number. What is that number?
Serial number, sir.
Serial number of the laptop, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, yeah, they will set the reprogramming flag also such a way. Here, I don't want to reveal my company details, company specific, okay, OEM specific, and your ECU name also, it is required means you can keep it. That is nothing but our flag. For example, in our example, I am taking like, okay, that's it. This is the my reprogramming flag. If I am writing in the location, memory location 8090, ACS 809060 location, if someone is writing a ACS B6, that means I will consider as I have the reprogramming flag is set. If ACS B6 is not there, other than that, any other value is there, right? I will consider as a no reprogramming request. Okay, now this all you will do in the application side. So then you need to reset the ECU. Which module is helping? You need to give reset the ECU. How you are getting resetting the ECU? Anyone?
Direct.
Okay. Any diagnostic, not only reset service, you guys you already know, right? So many things you will use here. Okay. 1002 reprogramming session also you will via diag only. Complete download it related also diag. Okay.
One
Reset
small,
also.
one small doubt, Rama. So,
Hmm.
when we are giving reset data, it will come out of the programming session, no?
That is the reason you will take programming again in the bootloader also.
Oh, again, we have to go to programming. Okay.
Yes. For example, you are in application, you will go to 10002 and you will set the flag. Then you will give 11001. Then boot manager will give control to bootloader. Inside bootloader, they will take 2701, again 2702. Then they will take the 1002. Here they will keep the, before giving a 1002 request, they need to verify their identity. And even though identity plus authorization also here only will check. Authorization as well.
But once we give 1101, so the 2701, will it support in the default session?
No, that is the how you defined like a you need to go for extended, you can go for extended. That is okay. After 1101, your default session, sometimes you are once you power on the ECU, you go and check that 2701, your ECU is responding or not seed, it will respond sometime. Otherwise, you will go to 1003, then you will come back to 2701. That is the how you designed your service.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then your authorization also, you will check that device or user role under. Then you will give 1002. After 1002, play will come under. We'll go to that level. Diag, you have a reset and reprogramming session and all the services under. Now, I have a timing requirement like Kalyan, he given the laptop and he told that 4 hours of the time he's having a customer meeting. You will accept his request, you will deny that his request. Tell me, as an expert of OS installation guy, huh?
I will accept, sir. 4 hours is
You will
enough for
accept.
that. Yes, sir.
You already, you sometimes what will happen? Your motherboard is gone. You are not a diagnosed, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what will happen? Stage 2 or stage 3 continuous reset will happen.
Yes, sir.
Then what you will do? You will say that
We'll
I will
take.
do my best, but if everything goes well, I will complete it in 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Something goes wrong, I will give you backup laptop to you.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, I will communicate it to you. Please go and enjoy your break. That is the message you need to give in a now onwards. At least
Yes,
I
sir.
trained you, right? Blindly don't accept. You don't know when you are reprogramming. Sometimes it will success, sometimes it will failure also.
Yes, sir.
Now you will see. These timing related requirements, which module is supporting for you guys?
Timer.
Hmm. Time management. Okay. Then, when the reprogramming is happening, suddenly reprogramming secure flashing key is corrupted. Then, how you are indicating to the outside? Kalyan, OS is corrupted. How you will inform to that fellow?
Uh,
How you are informing? Yugandhar, you are able to hear me now?
Yes, yes, I'm able to hear.
Oh, okay, now we are
My
also
voice is
able to
okay?
hear. Yeah.
Okay.
Now you tell me, your laptop, instead of laptop, I will take like a, okay. Uh, you installing the OS and suddenly fault is occurred. Then how you are informing to that OS where you purchased that fellow, what you will do? You will raise any ticket or you will write any email or what? Otherwise,
Yeah,
you,
both.
you both.
Yeah, no, actually, ticket will be raised
Hmm.
on for the issue, and
Before
then
ticket
once
rise, you need to collect one evidence. What is that evidence?
the screenshot of the OS, where whatever the error we are facing, that we need to take it.
That is the reason here we'll call as a what will qualify. Subham, will also qualify one. What is that? Subham,
Qualify.
what you are qualifying when your reprogramming is failed, then you will qualify
DTC.
DTC. Hmm. Which model is supporting you guys for DTC? This is the DEM model. Okay, now one unauthorized person is keep on giving a try reprogramming request. Keep on giving it inside the bootloader. One unauthorized person keep on giving the reprogramming. How many times you will allow? Gerard, how many times you will allow for reprogramming request inside the bootloader? Sequence I will tell 10 0 before giving 10 02. Otherwise, another way also, you can take 2701, 2702. Past. Then you are a authorized environment or unauthorized environment also possible.
This is secure access, but during secure flashing, there might be unauthorized access also.
Hey, don't go for anywhere, any organization, they will implement only one secure access. That secure access only, all the places you will use it. Separately, secure flashing purpose, you never implement secure access separately. Maybe somewhere, some programming, some property is required, they will adapt it. And they can control only event based like it, that particular event is happened, then property can increase. But concept remains same.
Okay.
Gerard, 2701 and 2702 is passed. That means you are in an authorized place or authorized user. Identity is passed. Then he given for a 10002. Any possibility this reprogram may fail because of unauthorized person? Gerard, you are able to hear me? Okay,
Hey,
Rudra,
sorry
you
about
will.
that. Yep, go ahead. Yep, go
Yeah,
ahead.
you will see. 2701 and 2702 I given, it is passed.
Mm-hmm.
Then you given a reprogramming request.
1002.
Then here itself of after this, until I will give 1101, any possibility in between any unauthorized person enter into the this particular sequence?
Yes.
Where? How?
You said how can they enter?
That is the reason, right? So you are allowing that request? You disable all the communication lines, right? Only reprogramming sequence is a priority.
Mm-hmm.
Then,
No, it wouldn't be allowed then.
okay, no one allowed. But whatever the file downloading,
Mm-hmm.
they will download the block, right?
Yeah.
That block is signed externally or internally?
Focus on internally.
No, right? I will tell you. This is the tier one. Your target file is here, right? Initially.
Right.
Then you are giving to the OEM, right?
Correct. Yep.
Then he will sign the file, right? This file only you are pushing into the cloud or maybe server. Assume like it is a server.
So why
Okay.
wouldn't the tier one? You're saying the tier one wouldn't have a signature for the file? You're saying the OEM would?
Yeah. Supposed to be owner. Maybe your company is doing that is a different in development time you can do. But
Okay.
real scenario you can see it is the repair shop is here.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay.
Kalyan will sit here. He will fetch the file from here only.
Gotcha. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. This is the OEM job. What I anyhow I will teach you separately. Normal reprogramming request you can assume like a it is a server. Sometimes they will connect in the repair shop. Otherwise, you will treat like a is a valid authorized person
Gotcha.
received the file in his local copy. That is also fine for me. Okay.
Understood.
Now you will see here repair shop when he is fetching the file downloading after that they will do this sign sign is verified or not. He signed correctly. I modified here, one byte. That byte modification, I don't have kept any model. AI model is not detecting there. I will detect where after downloading only I will detect. That is the reason in between when you are having a verification of the memory, right? Verification of the memory, one stop will be present. There you will notice that your file is already corrupted. So now I will take one block, I will explain. At least Mahesh, you open up here now. Unmute. Target file, can you please tell me mandatory blocks? How your target file you divided? Mahesh, you are able to hear me? Your target file is nothing but your X file or S19 file. How many blocks you divided? Mahesh, hey, no problem,
Sir,
you can tell me. How many blocks you divided for your target file? Yeah, I'm giving a clue. HSM boot manager, tell me now. HSM boot manager, what is the next block you will divide?
application.
Which application? Arita, you can repeat the blocks.
Totally it
HSM
last time.
bootloader,
Arita?
HSM bootloader,
Hmm.
HSM application.
That day, even though last class, special class also I taken this one, right? Somewhere, Mahesh, please wait for after second time session. I don't want to disturb the other people. I need to respect time also here. Yes, sir. These all are the four blocks I'm taking, and worst side also will take. Worst boot manager, worst, worst application. Now we assume like a only one block I'm at a time. Assume like a my memory is a single bank memory. Single bank memory means I can install at a time only one OS at a time, one software version at a time. For example, contain all these blocks, right? In this, all these blocks were assume like a Srikanth is manipulated the HSM boot manager. Boot manager. Now you are erasing. Initially you erase. You will see. Erased. You downloaded. You transferred also location. Your transfer is completed. Then you are memory validating. Memory validation will be there. Then you will verify the memory. Srikanth modified information when you are finding out in this sequence. You will find out here only, right? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Once you reached this step means your existing software is you lost, yes or no.
Yes.
Again, new software also you lost, yes or no.
Yes.
That is the another drawback for single band. So this risk you need to accept because of cost limitations. Sometimes in the repair shop, your reprogramming not went well. Similarly, Kalyan, someone giving a laptop to you, your troubleshoot is not went well. You can't hand over the laptop within the time. Similarly, here also same. This is the sequence externally. One person can influence the reprogramming time as well. That means you will corrupt the memory outside and you will verify the once you downloaded and memory verification time. It is too late. So what are time some AI models I can possible means I will show you where we got some patent or something under possible. I will show you. Anyhow, last week officially I got the patent. Now we'll discuss nothing wrong and all. No problem. We'll discuss about that. Okay. This is the one drawback. Now, as a architects, how many signatures you assume like my target file I divided into 15 blocks. How many signatures you are suggesting? Each block is a one signature or complete file as a one signature?
Both.
Okay, that means each block I have separate signature.
Overall also we have one.
Separate signature. And overall file is also complete file. Overall file, one signature, right? Signature or maybe CMAC, anything, your file. And one more thing, you need the, until now how many properties are happened? Authentication, authorization, clarified. Integrity clarified. Now you guys can tell me confidentiality. That means you are encrypting the file, then you will calculate the integrity, or first you will calculate integrity, then you will encrypt the file. What is your thought?
First calculate the integrity, then encrypt the file.
Okay, that means, for example, data, assume like 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, assume. First you are integrity calculating of the data, not? Then you will get a value like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, assume, and 8, 7. Then you are using encryption of integrity data. Otherwise, that name you can put like some name you can keep CMAC value or something. Easy purpose. CMAC value. So encryption value, CMAC value. So this one you will get this cipher test, right? So in this example, here whatever the file it is coming, downloading time, what type of test it is coming? Any
Cipher
guesses?
test.
Cipher test, right?
Yes.
Okay, that is the one way. Now you will see, you are erasing, downloading, transferring, transfer complete, memory validation and memory verification. Transfer complete, after that you will decrypt, or downloading immediately you are decrypting the content as well. What is your thoughts, block by block?
After downloading. Success.
So successfully downloaded, after that you are transferring before you are decrypting, right?
No, after transfer to that target.
Your wish, both are possible. So that is the reason here these 5 comments, 6 one-stop erase, download, transfer complete, memory validation, memory verification is the important steps in the reprogramming time. But cyber security point of view, 2 steps are pending. One is encryption, authentication, authorization I proved. Integrity, in the outside integrity is there, you need to verify the integrity, that is also clear. Cipher test, it is also clear, outside is clear. What you guys are selected, you have the data, that data you need to calculate the integrity, then integrity after calculated, after that complete value. That means here data plus, sorry, someone Yugandhara, someone also not remember. Completely you need to encrypt data plus CMAC value as well, right? Or CMAC value you will keep plain. Up to architect decisions. I never influence you guys. So data also, right? Data plus CMAC, both you will encrypt, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now you are decrypting, after that you are memory validating. Yes, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah. Now you will see your reprogramming failure conditions. Can you, anyone can tell? What are the scenarios reprogram may fail? Before going our side, first I will collect from Kalyan. Kalyan, when your OS installation may fail, what are the scenarios?
In case
Tell me.
boot is not happening, sir. At the time it will fail.
Boot is not happen. One is boot is not happened. Huh?
Yes, sir. In case one more time hard disk is not detecting.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. This two.
Then any other? Okay. OS installation started. Okay.
Yes,
Step 1 is completed. Step 2, two also completed. In that scenario, where, what is the, you have a problem? Tell me.
we'll consider that one motherboard issue, sir.
Suddenly power off. What will happen?
Again, we need to come from starting.
These all are the some of the scenarios also you need to care. Memory verification is failed means memory verification sometimes will fail. So you complete, that is the reason transfer complete there. They will check the complete, including each and every bit is downloaded correctly, start address to end address. Then only they will validate the memory. Memory validation is a legacy stuff, already quite couple of years onwards there. Your memory verification is the cyber security stuff. Okay? Memory verification is done, then you will give the reset. You will give directly reset or you need to perform one more operation, right? What is that operation?
Communication.
Uh-huh.
Enable communication.
Cyber security operation, one operation is there. What is that operation?
RTMD.
TMD or which one first will come?
Reference. Reference to
boot will reboot.
That means, for example, HSM boot manager is a 2 KB block. Okay. This one is completed, verification is completed. And passed. Then immediately you will update the secure boot table also. Integrity. Then you will do remaining operations. You will clear the reprogramming flag. Okay. Then you will enable the all the DTCs, enable communications, and you will give the reset like a 1101. This is the way. Another way of explanation is architects. Now, overall, whatever the blocks and everything I explained. Static view I given. Dynamic view, you guys, how you are coming, I will check it and all. Now, I given some NVM related stuff on that. NVM related stuff. In complete life cycle of the ECU, how many times you will allow for a unauthorized user for flashing the software?
0 times.
0 times. It is highly impossible, right? That 0, how you will detect? Until you don't go verification, you don't know, right? It is a authorized software or unauthorized software.
Yes, we'll do integrity checks on the certificate verification.
That is the reason, right? That is the when after you downloaded it, right? You already cleared the memory. Then you lost the existing memory, right?
Yes.
Your kid came for like a phone is not working. You diagnosed something. Then unfortunately, voice not installed properly. He will allow you, huh? Allow you to go to office?
No.
Uh,
Actually, in that brick cases, we need to replace it. Like, or maybe power for rollback.
that is the reason. Rollback don't. That rollback is a what? Rollback means what? You have enough memory, whatever you will do. Our example I taken as a single bank. Where you will roll back? How you will roll back? Votes using is that is the reason Rudra. Votes using is very simple. When interviewer is asking only single bank, you need to explain only single bank answer.
Then
Okay.
it will go to brick state, right? That is the chip.
Yeah, that is the way. So another way, now developers, Analyst, your homework is very clear, right? Yugandhar group, Venkat and Yugandhar, Akshay.
Yes.
What and all
Yeah.
your homeworks you guys to supposed to be do?
So secure reprogramming, not like top 20 and
Attacks.
VARA
Okay.
analysis. Yes. And
Or
VARA
analysis.
analysis yes, and attack trees
And top reprogramming tools also.
tools. Okay.
Top at least 5 reprogramming tools. Your domain. In your
Okay. Yeah,
resume, if
yeah.
you are keeping automotive, you can keep automotive. This is also required. Top 5 reprogramming tools. Reprogramming, Rudra, how many tools required? One tool or two tools? Minimum.
Two tools.
One tool for
Uh, access. Next is for flash.
that is the one. One tool for secure access. That we will call in our terminology, we will call it as a diag tool. Okay?
Same that tool also we can use now for flashing.
Secure flashing purpose using a tool we will call as a signature tool.
But if we are using the same tool, still
Your tool having a capability crypto, why not? That is the reason secure access I told two types. Architects, where is your architectures for that? That is the reason today I convinced you guys in this model. At least I need to see because otherwise I'm feeling like whatever the documents I'm uploading, you are copy pasting into your homework folders. Secure flashing tool. This is the signing tool. We'll call. Okay. Now, anyone aware about sequence of reprogramming steps now? Anyone? Anyone who can
first,
repeat?
yeah, first we'll go to first we have to take the secure access,
Hmm.
then programming session.
Then the gone case, right? Secure access in the bootloader, right? How you
Yeah,
will get to know reprogramming request? Who will give reprogramming request?
flagging. Flag.
Boot manager.
Boot manager who will trigger? For example, without this fellow, anytime reprogramming will happen without tester.
Tester has to trigger.
Hmm. If you triggering means where is the issue present first time?
Power up.
In fact, the first
Boot manager.
If first time reprogramming happen time, where is the your ECU?
dealership. The
Root address.
Then I will ask you another way. Once power on the ECU, the control comes to where?
bootloader or boot manager.
Boot manager. Boot manager will give control to where and where.
Bootloader or application.
Okay. Normal scenario, it will give control to where?
Loader.
Application if a
Bootloader.
Bootloader normal scenario.
application if a bootloader is present. Bootloader OS kernel launcher applications.
Application. Now tester what he will do? Tester what he will do?
Perform the flashing sequence.
That is the reason, right? He will give when the first
Programming
time
session.
when you are in
It
the
will enter into the
reprogramming.
programming. Yeah, programming session.
Then you will check preconditions, then set the flag. Then you will give one more reset here. And developers, you can note down your Artha as a tester. I need to see what are the top, not only top, what are the maximum allowed DT NRCs for secure access and secure reprogramming. All the NRCs.
Okay.
Okay, all the NRCs for secure reprogramming and secure access. And again, along with that, you need to know about complete reprogramming sequence test cases as well. Now we will go to the control, go to the bootloader. Here again, you will give that assume 10.0.0.2. Again, after some time, you will give 11.0.0.1. Now again, boot manager will give control to the application. This is the flow. In between, you have some sessions. Erase is a separate session. Download is a separate session. Transfer is a separate session. That means separate services. That also you need to note down 34, 35, 36, 37. These all are the services. You don't need to by heart, and you will say that you will see complete reprogramming is a one team activity or multiple team activity.
One team activity.
You are going for interview, you are a cyber security team activity, right? Cyber security guy, what are the operations is performed usually in the reprogramming time? One is secure access. Second one is secure authorization check. Secure flashing authorization check. Yes. Authorization check. Third one, what you will do? You can decrypt. Again, what you will do? You will verify integrity. Again, what you will do? Secure boot table update. Yugandhar, after this call, you please call to that Mahesh and explain. Really, I am taking a special care also. After that, I am not getting answers. Huh? He is having a
Sure.
5 o'clock interview. I used my department head influence and scheduled that interview. He is in emergency. He is in a last couple of months and even though 3 times that lady is declined. No. One time you told the emergency or something. But such influences and Allah unnecessarily genuine candidates, I will lose the trust. Ask him to prepare well and allow you convey. Please vote with him one time. Huh?
Okay.
You will see. These all are the cyber security operations. You see, telecom, my first day explanation itself, you need to get it, Saurabh. Correctly, you guys are listen my class, right? We discussed the secure access, secure flashing, then secure boot table also. Yes, secure boot table. This also I explained. That is the reason always I will use some space for a reset. Then you will give the reprogramming flag, you will clear and give control to the application. That is nothing but a secure flashing concept. Okay. Now developers, can you please tell me your homework? Now architects, you are ready, right? Static architecture and dynamic architecture is your responsibility. Failure
Yeah.
cases and positive cases, both static view and dynamic view. Developers, can you please tell me your homework? Prithvi, you repeat. What and all you need to assume like a your target file I divided into 8 blocks. What you guys to need to do? Tell me.
For 8 blocks, we have to perform integration first.
Integrity
Then,
is fast. Okay.
and then after that, we have to perform the encryption for the integrity plus, encryption for the CMAC value and plus data.
Then you will keep the file as a encrypted file like this. Okay. It is a encrypted target file. encrypted target file. That is the first level of outside action. Okay. Then you need to do inside action also, right? This tester wants this file to download into your ECU. Then ECU, you will use all the sequence, right? Whatever the sequence I mentioned in the above, these all stuffs are triggered by this fellow only. Once power on, this is the sequence, you need to write it also here. And somewhere I written all these stuffs, right? Here is download. Yeah, these are the stuffs. Each one has a one service you guys are having. This complete concept only we'll call it as a secure flashing concept. Any doubts, anyone? Bhaskar, Rudra, Subham. Subham, any doubt?
Actually, Ram, just one question, not
Yeah,
related to
please.
this one.
Yeah, please.
Actually, yeah, I don't know about other case. My thing is just I am to write the sequence diagrams right from the enterprise architecture. I am not familiar with those tools.
No. 1 minute. I will tell you another way. Tool is a only like a, for example, you will see. I'm more happy about you will write. You'll put like a representation. This is your loop level. Okay. If you wherever you will mention like this box, I can try like it is a loop for me. For example, here you will use the loop for a target file. I'll understand that, oh, this stuff we will repeat for complete blocks. I don't want a representation from anywhere and all. I'm not looking that also. Okay, this is triggering first, or this one is triggering first, or maybe this one is it is going a request like this. This is nothing but a sequence way of representation, Rudra. Tool, I always give less importance to tool. Sequence is always I will give high importance. Because tool representation, Rhapsody is completely different, enterprise architecture is also completely different. But method remains same, right?
Yes.
That is the way. That method, you are good at a whiteboard, you can do it whiteboard. You are good at MS Paint, you do it MS Paint. No, Rama, not only these two, I am good at WordPad, you do it WordPad only. Otherwise, you are good at Excel sheet, you will do it Excel sheet. No, Rama, I am good at my hand written in the book. You can draw in the book also. I never restrict the people, right? Hey, no, you go and do only Rhapsody. I am not such a type. You know the concept. I will arrange you one day for training, and later on you will do that work for me. In interview, no one will open a Rhapsody tool and draw, right? He will ask you, give a chance to you. Please explain this sequence. You will write the steps only.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
That is the reason. So please complete these three. You all. Rudra, Subham, Saurabh Dev, Bhaskar, Ramesh. Secure access, secure flashing, and secure JTAG. Okay, remaining all can please carry on for the day. Voila. You guys will please stay. Yeah. See you all in Saturday. Subham, please spend some time for this. Three concepts.
Yeah.
Yeah, please. Because important also, I'm expecting some safety level of precautions are in it. But unfortunately, anyhow, secure diagnostic, I can agree. It is not a safety relevant for you, but secure flashing and secure JTAG important for you as well. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please carry on and spend some time for that. Again, I will check in Saturday. Okay. Yeah. Mhm. Okay. Subham, anything?
No, no.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Akshay, any more questions? Akshay? Akshay, you are in mute. Okay. Now, Mahesh, what is the exact problem? Tell me. Mahesh, you need to unmute. What
నాకు
is your
అర్థం కావట్లేదు.
huh?
అర్థం కావట్లేదు సార్ నాకు.
Which one? No, no, no. Tell me
పాయింట్ టు
exactly.
పాయింట్ నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు సార్. అంటే పైన అర్థమవుతున్నట్లు ఉంది సార్ నాకు.
Why?
ఓవరాల్
Why?
కాన్సెప్ట్ నాకు వాట్ ఈస్
Okay.
వాట్ అనేది తెలియట్లేదు సార్. ఓన్లీ
Okay. Can you please share your screen once?
ల్యాప్టాప్ లో జాయిన్ అవ్వలేదు సార్. అదే సార్
Mobile
అది
has.
అర్థం కాక నేను హోంవర్క్ కూడా చేయలేదు సార్.
Why then you are waited this many days?
నాకు అర్థమయ్యే వరకు చేశాను సార్. ఈ సెక్యూర్ జెటాగ్ డెప్త్ గా తెలియదు సార్ నాకు. సో అంత ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కూడా లేదు నాకు.
No, 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 no. In cyber security operations, you know yes or no. I'm
అదే
not.
సార్ ఓన్లీ ఆపరేషన్స్ తెలుసు సార్. బట్ ఇంటర్నల్ కోడ్ ఎలా ఆపరేషన్స్ కి ఎలా రాయాలి ఎలా చేయాలి అనేది అంత తెలుసు.
No problem. You can speak in English only. No problem. I can correct it because Arita is there here. Venkat is there. They don't. Saurabh is there. Three people are there. They don't know, right? What you are speaking. You can speak in English. As a cyber security guy, as a developer, cyber security guy, how to do encryption? You know, yes or no?
That
You are able to do the encryption itself of AES algorithm, yes or no? My question is, you don't know, you say no. You know, you will say yes.
by using tool I know sir, but how to implement tool I don't know sir.
Then who blamed me? You are a developer, right? You need to be ready for one algorithm, at least one algorithm, right? How many times I told? You are known this much time, 8th week you came. Thank God, at least 4 more weeks for me there. How many times I told you guys, you need to be familiar at least one algorithm, right? Yes or no? You are not a tester, right?
Sir,
You are.
with it, without complete explanation, how we can know sir at least one. If you tell at least one algorithm completely, we can explore remaining also.
Which algorithm you didn't know?
Any
Tell
one
me.
algorithm, if you explain completely means we can explore other algorithms.
Which algorithm I didn't explain to you guys?
Sir, you just explained the rounds and all, just that only. But
Then what?
how test how the code we have to write that things and all you not explain, sir.
You are not writing the code and I am not writing the code. You can join via laptop. I will show you. That is the reason you are not paid the bill or amount or what?
No, sir, I will pay bill. I will pay
Oh, no, 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 no,
definitely.
no. Wait. You
That
need
is
that
not the
level.
reason.
1 minute. Wait. I will clarify you guys. If you guys need a code level, I am always open. You don't give me a challenge to me and all. I played each and every role and I reached this state. Why this many days you are in the silent? You need code, you need to ask me long back, right? This much I am explaining. That is explaining code is easy for me.
Not that also, sir, but actually in cybersecurity, what and all tools, exact tools also we don't have clarity, sir. How to in industry level tools will be there, no,
Okay, then
sir.
I will tell you. Wait. Okay, you guys are not giving me a 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs for training, right? How much I am collecting? What is the best is possible? I can train. Behind level question, now don't shoot me. Mahesh, you guys will get a salary how much? Your salary is 8 lakhs, you will get 16 lakhs offer. Cyber security guys are high paid salary guys.
Yeah,
Whatever
sir,
my
but now we
what
are
is
not
the
having any job, no, sir.
that is I'll
That is
agree. That is I'll agree. I am training 1.5 hour means that is a you need to be realize yourself and you need to explore, right? How many tools I already given? You are not writing a story for yourself. Now you are asking some questions, right? One or two guys I lost. Okay. Because of you, even though usually I am not like a show off guy, actually. Frankly, I need to show. You are asking something, right? Wait. Who scheduled your interview, no?
yes, sir.
Wait first. You are asking something, right? This is your name only, right? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Behind level, no one can help in this world.
Sir, that is okay, sir. But actual main concept is I'm saying that that is the issue, sir.
That is the issue. Why you are silent
Helping
this
purpose
many
you are
days?
doing well, sir.
Why you are silent this many days, right?
Yeah, sir. I
When
waited till these classes will come future class. But
no,
future class also I'm not getting clarity.
you mean to say that today, if I am explaining this much, you can't complete your homework? Huh?
Direct you are asking to code implement means
Who asked code implementation? For example, here I am telling you a CMAC value calculation. You are able to do or you won't do.
I
I will
will
break.
I will
I will tell for my kid. I will sit in the beside. You will switch on the video. You will fetch the code. How that code? What you will challenge me? He is studying 7th class. He is in school
yeah, sir.
dress.
He know
You need
he started
wait
from
first,
basic
Mahesh.
level
You
coding
first
knowledge,
wait.
sir. But
No. You fooled me, right? That means you done every day 10 programs. Without that, how you done the 10 programs? Mahesh, don't go for unmute. You always be in unmute only. I'm speaking
if
with
I'm
you only.
unmute, means, background noise will come, sir. That's
No
why.
problem. No. Let it be speak. At least I have 4 more weeks. I will correct you. Same opinion, any others also there, right? Your batch I will treat separately also. Why I included Saurabh Dev and Ramesh and Prudvi, all are in your group. You guys having any concern, please express it. I written here like this, you are selling like we are unable to do means, my complete effort is gone now. Now, Rajesh,
Yes, sir.
you tell me AES algorithm encryption operation, how many parameters? Open source only you can use, no problem. ChatGPT open a AES.c code you can try. Open it. Jaysri, you also, everyone, all of you, open. You need to ask me, right? Tips how what is the another sequence? I thought like you are doing every day. You mentioned right. You don't have a job. If you don't have a job means you need to work for a morning to evening with more effective manner, right? At least, thank God, now you opened. Instead of that means you don't know about until today what is meant by challenge, what is meant by seed, what is meant by key. These also you didn't practice. Encryption, how many
Sir,
parameters you are passing also you didn't practice till date. Here at least how many parameters I am passing, tell me. Count and tell me.
4 parameters.
4 parameters, huh? 4 or 5?
No, no, no. 5, sir.
At least you know what is a declaration and definition, that also you don't know.
That I know, sir.
Uh, this one is what you will call this function.
Function.
What you are in that state,
ECB
what you
function.
are. Hmm?
ECB functions. Encrypt ECB
Okay,
function.
that function what I'm calling. I'm calling the function or I'm defining the function, I'm declaring the function.
Mm.
In this line,
So,
I'm calling the function, I defining the function,
calling
I'm
functions. Calling function.
that much you know, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you open a laptop, no problem. I will teach you. Calling function you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come, nothing feel you. It is a better understanding is required. What is this one?
Verifying MAC functions.
Hmm. If I'm developing a some tool
Initializing
means,
to
if
initialize
I'm
info.
1 minute wait. If I'm developing a one tool means, without source code tool will develop.
No, sir.
Then you didn't get any that logic anytime. If you are really having a concern, if you are expressing, I will teach the source code also, yes or no.
Also, sir, if they ask means realistically, we don't have any experience in this cyber security. If they ask realistic
No,
means,
no one, no, don't tell these all are stories. You really worked hard, right? Really, really work hard. One human main problem, what is, himself, you never treat like he's a idiot. You will always look for some reason. You go and check with Yugandhar what is meant by Ram. Don't hide with me. Day one itself, I told you. I will hand over to you in your wife. You are not studying anything and you are saying some stories to me. If you need something, you need to express, right? Sir, I didn't understand. Please explain me better way. You are not ready, and why you are forcing me for a interview? Tell me. I am not getting calls. Once you need to ready, then you need to express, right? Then what is the use for I forced the so much level? No use right now today. This one at least you need to express when I forced you, please update resume. At least 15 days. Now to open a book now, I will tell what you need to do. Note down whatever I am telling.
ECU ID ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಫೈ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ OEM ನೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಮಂತ್ డేట్ మంత్ ఇయర్ ఇస్తావు ఇది నాలుగు మనం ఇవాళ ఇన్పుట్లు ఇస్తే ఈసీ దీనిలో కూడా పంపిస్తాం మనం ఫోటో ప్రొడక్ట్ ఈసీ ప్రొడక్ట్ OEM డేటా దీనిలో పంపిస్తాం ఫిట్ ద బైట్స్ ఫంక్షన్ అన్నమాట దీనిలో నుంచి కొన్ని కొన్ని చేసి ఇక్కడ పెడతాం మనకి ఫిట్ ద మొత్తం బైట్స్ వస్తాయి ర్యాన్ బైట్స్ ర్యాన్ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ర్యాన్
Yes, sir.
డెఫరెంట్ STL
What is meant by integrity?
మెమ్ కాపీ ఫైనల్ నుంచి ఈసీబీకి కాపీ చేస్తాం దీనికి మొత్తానికి ఓకే
It can
చేస్తున్నాం ఇంటెక్స్ ఈసీపీ
while doing any modifications or anything in data, it can securing that.
Okay, you are modifying means what will happen?
Data is not same, sir. Data will be lost.
Data will be lost. What are the crypto operations it will perform that?
1 2 3
Your modification, what are the operations may be possible? How you are saying that your data is modified? Which property that one?
Integrity properties.
How integrity property, how you are achieving?
By checking the data, sending data, and
What are the cyber security operations you will perform for checking the your integrity is remain same or integrity is corrupted? What are the crypto operations you need to do?
సేమ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ తీసుకున్నాం ఫెయిల్ ఐటమ్స్ లాక్
What are the crypto operations?
ఓకే స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నట్టున్నాయి
first we are sending request.
Hey, I am asking crypto operations. Tell me crypto operations. Which operations you will find out the integrity?
ఈ స్ట్రక్చర్ తీసుకొచ్చాడు స్ట్రక్ట్ అయిపోయింది తీసుకొచ్చాడు
Cyber security crypto operations.
సో ఫెయిల్ ఐటమ్స్ లాక్ ఇవన్నీ కొల్లేస్తారు
How you, I will say, please find out integrity. Which operation you will perform?
HSM, CMAC.
One is CMAC. Then one is CMAC. Next?
Yeah. Hashing.
Okay, hashing. Then
Authorization.
authorization, it will find out the integrity, yeah?
Digital signatures.
Then digital signature.
Then after checking both these all parameters from receiver side.
You told only 3 operations only. One is CMAC, hashing, digital signature. Then you have 2 more also. What is the 2 more?
Making a tables for that.
For example, you are modifying or maybe you are flipping the bits, payload, something you are doing. Your signature will verify, or sometimes you will say that Rama, my signature is not verified. It will fail. It will modify the data. What is your concern? What is the whenever any signature or anything is replay? How you will say that some intruder is entering to your system? Okay, can you please tell me digital signature? At least digital signature, how you will make your signature, how you are verifying the signature? Can you please repeat the steps? Digital signature. How you are making a digital signature?
Sir, first we are doing hashing
Okay,
the data.
okay.
After generating hash value,
Hmm.
by that taking that hash data, we are
Hmm.
doing encrypting that
Using which key?
hash value, sir. By taking hash value, we are doing encryption.
Hash value, okay. You encryption purpose, how many inputs required?
Yeah, in CMAC private key we are using, sir. To by using private key and hash
Why
value,
you
we are
mention
doing
say no, no, no. What is the reason you mentioned there CMAC?
private and public. We are
CMAC,
having private
no, no, no. In the CMAC, you have two keys, private key and public key.
symmetric and asymmetric. We are having, sir. Public.
Asymmetric, you have two keys, right? One is private key, second one is public key.
Yeah.
Every day, how many? Now you can note down what you need to do. First, cryptographies. What is meant by symmetric cryptography? What is meant by asymmetric cryptography? Encryption. How many inputs required? You note down how many inputs required. What is the output? Similarly, when you are passing a encryption, at least one AES algorithm in chat GPT or anywhere, open source code only. Google also you can type. Google encryption function. Encryption function. No one will ask, you are not going for Qualcomm or AMD or anything. Maybe you got that doubt, right? No problem. That doubt also you will clarify. AES.c, AES.h you can download. You are speaking itself, you can check it, AES.c and AES.h. Rajesh, parallelly, you will also Google it, AES.c, AES.h. Rajesh, got the code or not?
Yes, sir.
It came right?
Yes, yes.
Open. That file you guys can open. That file having a minimum two functions. One is encryption function. Second one mainly required decryption function. Even though AES we will use for CMAC purpose, that leave it. That is that separately we will treat. Encryption, decryption, Rajesh, you found that interface, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You just, once you are inside the encryption function, minimum parameters you will check. Key is mandatorily you will pass. Plain text mandatorily will pass. IV mandatorily will pass. Mode you will pass. Remaining things, user dependency. These four parameters are there or not, check it. You already know, right? Person to person coding style will vary. Usually, if I am a good coder, what I will do, this for all the parameters, I will keep in one structure and I will pass as a structure. Yes or no, Rajesh?
Yes, sir.
That is the way, Mahesh. Differ is, anyhow, Saurabh Dev, you go and carry on for your architectures and all. Hmm?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you can carry on. Venkat, I will call you separately. This is a pure development level discussion. You also carry on.
Thank you, Rama. Thank you, everyone.
Hey, no problem. I will clarify him, no problem. It's okay. Still, we have the time, and this is the time we need to correct him. Similarly, decryption function also. Okay, you have the key, you have the ciphertext, you have the IV, you have the mode. You will pass this. You look at once. No one can ask you if he is asking like when you are going for a tier 1 interview or OEM interview. Some stupid is asking, please explain the AES algorithm. I will. That is a idiotic way of interview. You will ask anytime you worked or not, how you are calling the function, what parameters you are passing. Yes, your responsibility. You need to pass the parameters. Interface list out and all your job actually. You are unable to find out. You are unable to. For example, you guys are unable to figure it out like a interface. I will only give you. For example, I am teaching all of you same, right? All of you same only, right? You done in a Python means you guys supposed to be done in the normal level, right? J3, for example. I thought like Mahesh, this is your problem. I didn't understand. You have a Arita. You can little bit also not understand Telugu. Huh?
I can guess.
ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఇదనైతే నాకు తెలియదురా తమ్మి. ఎందుకనంటే నేను ఈవెందో పర్సనల్గా కూడా నీకు పింగ్ చేశాను నేను. నీ ఫోల్డర్స్ని చూస్తుంటే నాకే భయం వేస్తుంది. నువ్వు రెజ్యూమ్ అప్డేట్ చేసావు, నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నావు అని. నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నావు అన్నది నాకు జస్టిఫికేషన్ ఇవ్వలేదు నువ్వు ఇంకా. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ కూడా నేను డిసప్పాయింట్ అయ్యా. ఒక 10 days బ్యాక్ ఎగ్జామ్ ప్రిపరేషన్ అప్పుడు మీరు చేసే 2 weeks వరకు దీంట్లో అప్లోడ్ చేయాలన్నా అది అవ్వలేదు. మళ్ళా రీజాయిన్ అవ్వండి, డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయినా. ఎవ్రీ వన్ కెన్ రీజాయిన్ బికాస్ వీ నీడ్ టు క్లోజ్ ది టాపిక్. ప్రతి 2 చూసుకో ఏఈఎస్ లో. ఈ 2 ఫంక్షన్స్ ఓపెన్ సోర్స్. అది ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ డెవలప్డ్ బై మీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ డెవలప్డ్ బై యూ. వీఆర్ జస్ట్ యూజర్స్ ఆఫ్ దట్. దే విల్ ఆస్క్ ఓన్లీ parameters. That parameters also I will only teach you. These all are the corrections. For example, if you one fine day you will say that Rama, I am unable to understand. I will only give that. All the interfaces also. For example, you come and show me like Rama, I don't know how to do ABCD. I will teach you. No problem. This interface you will say, I don't know how to do, then I will give you and all. What are the interface? how you do reprogramming, then how you will explain to interviewer? Tell me.
Sorry,
How
sir.
you will explain? If I am giving these interfaces also to you, you need to know, right? How your sequence will happen, what is the sequence? Huh? These all are I practiced you guys actually. If you need this much detail, I will give you. Everything is ready only for me. When what type of failures will happen, what are the interfaces you will call, how you are verifying that. మహేష్, మనిషి కష్టపడాలి. నేను చెప్తున్నా విను. నేను మార్నింగ్ 4:30 అంటే
సార్
మళ్ళీ నైట్ 12కి నేను 4 hours 5 hours నిద్రపోయేది. కష్టపడకుండా ఏది
సార్
రాదు. చెప్పు.
ఒకవేళ మీరు పెట్టిన ఫైల్స్ నుంచి ఫోల్డర్స్ నుంచి ఏదైనా కీవర్డ్ ఏదైనా సెర్చ్ చేయాలన్నా కూడా అది కాపీ కూడా అవ్వట్లేదు సార్. అది ఏదైనా మీరు అది ఫోల్డర్స్ పెడతారు కదా, అది స్టడీ ఇవ్వడానికి, స్టడీ చేసుకోవడానికి.
ఓకే ఓకే.
ఇందులో నుంచి కీవర్డ్స్ ఏమైనా మనకి అర్థం కాకపోతే చాట్ జీపీటీలో ప్లేస్ చేసి చూసుకోవడానికి అవి కాపీ కూడా అవ్వట్లేదు.
వై పేస్ట్ యు ఆర్ unable to type also.
సార్ అది మ్యాటర్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటే టైప్ చేయాలంటే ఈజీ ఉంటుంది కదా సార్.
Why I will do that, you need to read at least. In ChatGPT, not only typing, right, voice also you can give it. రాజేష్ వాడు వెళ్ళిపోయాడా?
అవును సార్, కాల్లో లేట్ సార్.
చూద్దాం ఉండు, వస్తాడు. దెన్ హరిత, రమేష్ అంటే వీడు, ఈవెన్ దో హరిత ఈజ్ నాట్ ఆన్సరింగ్ యువర్ కాల్స్ ఇన్ దట్ గ్రూప్ ఆల్సోనా? You guys are com message, diag message, and even though there also he answered properly, or you guys are hided for me?
Yesterday we were asking questions with him.
Mahesh.
Sir, I have some small net issues, sir. That's why.
No problem. It's okay. I will wait. In the ChatGPT, not only copy, it will enable voice also. You have a really interest to learn or something and all, right? I will only tell you the ways how to do. Now you came correct time. You can tell. For example, I given a viewer access. You can read. You enable the voice button. You will read it. It will give the content. But existing, I've given a small content itself, you didn't understand, and now you are rising after this many days. You don't know, you've never seen the encryption operation means. I always told something, right? One algorithm. I don't want all algorithms. Only one algorithm symmetric, one algorithm asymmetric. ఈ మాట నీకు ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పుంటాను నా సెషన్స్ లో?
సార్ అవి అల్గరిథమ్స్ అర్థమైనాయి సార్, బట్ యాక్చువల్ రియల్ టైమ్ లో మనం ఎట్లా చేస్తాం అనేది తెలియదు కదా సార్. జస్ట్ రియల్ టూల్స్, ఇప్పుడు ఇండస్ట్రీలో రియల్ టూల్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఆ టూల్స్ స్టెప్స్.
You are a cyber security guy or you are a tool developer guy? Tell me.
Both.
You are a cyber security guy or a tool developer guy?
Cyber security guys.
Target file cyber security responsible to what? I given a one file to you. What is the responsibility of cyber security guy?
Confidentiality, sir.
Then how we will achieve confidentiality?
By doing encryption.
Then what else you need?
they don't use any specific tools, sir, for doing that
That is
operation.
a company specific question. No one will ask. If stupid is asking, then you will consider as a you don't know about privacy.
Oh, sir,
Anytime I
he will
told,
think like
never be right, never be.
already we are having
Don't be
experience
a
in that.
dumper. Don't make me a fool. Okay. You required then ChatGPT, your project, VW project, you can Google it. You will come 1,000 tools. Anytime you tried, that also I given the clue to you. These all are reasons are escaping reasons. You can maybe blame to maybe play with your parents or I don't listen. Your argument is valid, I will. Your argument is valid, I will. Now, at least one
Oh,
algorithm
sir,
you are
I
ready or
have
not.
simply
Again,
will blame him, sir.
no. Again, I will call. Again, I will call afternoon. You need to explain me one algorithm in symmetric, one algorithm in asymmetric. At least how many parameters you are passing. That is
Yeah,
the first
sure, sir.
task you. First task to you. Similarly,
Once after interview, I will explore that, sir.
1 minute wait. Next task also. Until now, how many topics we deeply discussed?
Secure flash, secure
Hmm.
boot, secure access.
Secure boot I didn't told. What are the topics I
Secure access.
discussed? Secure
Secure
diagnostic,
data,
secure,
secure access, secure
hmm.
flashing.
Okay. Here, how many interfaces we are using? How many interfaces? How many? What are the interfaces we are
Boot
using?
manager,
That all are blocks.
boot manager, bootloader,
I'm asking what are the interfaces?
application.
What are the interfaces we are using?
First one is JTAG, sir.
వర్క్ చేయాలిరా మహేష్, నువ్వు నాకు పేషెన్సీ బాగా నేర్పిస్తున్నావు. ఇక్కడ కనబడుతుందా? పాస్వర్డ్ సెట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాడు, కనబడుతుందా? ఎలా లాక్ చేస్తున్నాడు, ఎలా అన్లాక్ చేస్తున్నాడు, కమాండ్స్ పంపిస్తున్నాడు, చూసావా? కనపడుతుందా కనపడతలేదా? చేసావా? ఇది చేయలేదా? నువ్వు చేసావా చేయలేదా?
చేయలేదు సార్, అది నాకు లేదు సార్. అది అంటే మీరు కోడ్ రాయమన్నారో లేకపోతే జస్ట్ కోడ్ రాయమన్నారో లేకపోతే ఇట్లా జస్ట్ ఇట్లా చేయమన్నారో అది నాకు క్లారిటీ లేదు సార్. అందుకే నేను
క్లారిటీ కాదు, ఫస్ట్ నీకు
స్టాప్ చేశాను సార్.
ఓకే, నీకు ఇంకా అర్థమయ్యేటట్టు చెప్తాను. ఏం ఆపరేషన్ చేస్తే 12 వస్తుంది? నేను 3 నెంబర్లు తీసుకున్నా, 2 4 6. రే 2 4 6 అని తీసుకొని 12 రాశా. ఏం చేస్తే వస్తుంది?
అదే సార్, మల్టిప్లికేషన్ 2 6 12. అడిషన్ సార్.
48 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది?
మల్టిప్లికేషన్.
దీని ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాయమంటే రాస్తావా రాయవా? రాస్తావా రాయవా? సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ కూడా అలాంటిదే. అది నువ్వేదో సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ కూడా అంటిదే. నీకు ఫస్ట్ ఆ స్టేట్మెంట్లు రాస్తాం వస్తే కోడ్ రిప్లికా చేయొచ్చు. అర్థమైందా? సెక్యూర్ జేటాగ్, సెక్యూర్ యాక్సెస్, సెక్యూర్ రీప్రోగ్రామింగ్. నీ ధ్యాస అంతా క్రిప్టో ఆపరేషన్స్ మీద ఉండాలి. కాన్ఫిడెన్షియాలిటీ, అథెంటికేషను, ఆథరైజేషను, ఇంటిగ్రిటీ. రిమైనింగ్ వాళ్ళకి సపరేట్ టీమ్ మెంబర్స్ ఉంటారు. ఒక సెక్యూర్ రీప్రోగ్రామింగ్ 40 మెంబర్స్ చేసే పని, ఒక వ్యక్తి చేసే పని కాదు. అందులో సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ టీం వాడు చేసేదేంటి? ఆడికి సంబంధించిన క్రిప్టో ఆపరేషన్స్ అన్ని వాడు చేస్తాడు. ఈ 3 ఎప్పటికే ఎన్ని గంటలకల్లా కంప్లీట్ చేస్తావు చెప్పు? సెక్యూర్ యాక్సెస్, సెక్యూర్ జేటాగ్, సెక్యూర్ రీప్రోగ్రామింగ్.
సార్ వన్స్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నేను
No. Before, what is the use you are attending an interview without these 3 concepts?
Yes, sir. Now I will explore those 3 things.
One thing we'll do, Ramesh.
Yes, John.
Yeah, please have everyone breakfast. Connect, you all are 3 hours. Just practice secure JTAG, secure access, secure flashing in the meeting.
Okay.
Only crypto operations. I don't want your complete concepts. Cyber security purpose. Your project is decided property. How you are achieving that property.
Okay.
Only you always, symmetric means you will select only AES.
Okay.
Asymmetric means you will select RSA.
RSA.
Okay, fine for me. One algorithm, fine. I don't want all the algorithms. You will select only one algorithm. AES and this one. You guys go for a breakfast and immediately connect. Again, I will call you maybe based on my timings. Today, before I will call you, I will text you normal message, Ramesh.
Okay.
Okay, then you can join that call. Minimum 2.5 hours you can prepare. Mahesh, what is the use without preparation you are going for interview? Mahesh, అర్థమవుతుందా?
సార్ అర్థమవుతుంది సార్.
ఏం చేయాలి నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు?
అదే సార్ సెక్యూర్ జేటాగ్, సెక్యూర్ ఫ్లాష్.
అరే బాబు, నువ్వేం చేయాలి? ఇమీడియట్ గా వెళ్ళి బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేయి. తినేసి వాళ్ళు మీటింగ్ పిలుస్తారు. Arita, you can call for a meeting by 9 o'clock only.
Ram, I might be traveling. I can join the call.
Maybe Ramesh will lead that one. Rajesh, ఇది వీడికి హెల్ప్ చేసిన దాకా ఈ చేత ఈ 3టికి క్రిప్టో ఆపరేషన్స్ ఎలా చేయాలో పృథ్వీ, రాజేష్ వీడికి అర్థమయ్యేటట్టుగా చెప్పండి దీన్ని.
Okay, Ram.
If you are open up, right, at least we can help. You are not open up and you are keeping yourself, then I'm not God for recognizing, right? That is the reason I will list out your homeworks are missing. At least thank God you open up now. Still I have a 1 month, I can correct you, don't worry. Sarena?
సార్ ఓకే సార్.
Okay, laptop over చూసుకో. Okay, you guys can carry on these 3 concepts, so please aware. At least you will explain these 3 concepts, then more than sufficient. And a secure boot, more than sufficient. Okay.
Yes. Bye. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Always welcome. It's okay. Yeah, thank you all.
Thank you. Bye.